Welcome to Health Hack 101, where we dive deep into essential health topics to keep you informed and empowered. In today's special episode, we're focusing on Mental Health Awareness Month, a time to spotlight the importance of mental well-being. We've packed this video with crucial information and resources to help anyone struggling or just seeking to understand more about mental health. Whether you're here for yourself or someone you care about, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Ever thought about how much your mental health impacts your daily life? Just like physical health, mental health plays a crucial role in our overall well-being, yet it often takes a back seat in our priorities. This month, the spotlight is on mental health as we observe Mental Health Awareness Month, a time dedicated to raising awareness and reducing the stigma associated with mental health issues. Our goal with this video is to provide you with valuable insights into understanding mental health and its importance. We want to equip you with knowledge about common mental health disorders, signs and symptoms to watch for, and resources for getting help. Our hope is that this information will serve as a lifeline for those who need it and a source of enlightenment for everyone. Remember, understanding mental health is the first step towards improving it. So let's embark on this journey together, because mental health matters. What comes to mind when you hear the term mental health? Some might think of severe conditions like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder. Others may picture someone in a psychiatric hospital. But mental health is so much more than these stereotypes. It's a vast spectrum that encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices in our daily lives. Mental health is not destination, but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you're going. The World Health Organization defines mental health as a state of well-being in which every individual realizes his or her own potential, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to her or his community. However, there are many misconceptions about mental health that create stigma and can prevent people from seeking help. One of the most common myths is that mental problems are rare and happen to other people. The truth is, mental health problems are actually very common. In fact, 1 in 5 adults experience mental health problems in a given year. Another widespread myth is that people with mental health needs are typically violent. In reality, people with mental health needs are more likely to be victims of violence. It's also often believed that people with mental health problems can snap out of it if they try hard enough. But mental health problems have nothing to do with being lazy or weak. Many factors contribute to mental health problems, including biological factors such as genetics, physical illness, injury, or brain chemistry, life experiences such as trauma or a history of abuse, and family history of mental health problems. Mental health is as important as physical health, and it's time we start treating that way. Just as we wouldn't tell someone with a broken leg to just get over it, we shouldn't someone with a mental health problem to do the same. It's time to dispel the myths and start understanding mental health for what it truly is, a crucial part of our overall well-being. For more insights on mental health, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, Health Hack 101. Some mental health disorders are more common than you might think. Let's take a moment to discuss a few of these common disorders, to shed light on what many people experience, often in silence. First up, we have anxiety disorders. These are characterized by a constant and overwhelming sense of worry or fear. It's like having a nagging voice of doubt that just won't quiet down. This can impact everything from social interactions to professional performance and even the ability to enjoy life's simple pleasures. Next, we have depression, a disorder that goes beyond typical feelings of sadness or having a bad day. It's a persistent low mood that makes it hard to find joy in anything and can make even the simplest tasks feel like insurmountable challenges. It's like trying to swim upstream in a strong current every moment of every day. Then there's bipolar disorder, which involves dramatic shifts in mood, energy, and activity levels. People with bipolar disorder can swing from feeling invincible, energetic, and excessively happy to feeling hopelessly low and lethargic. It's like being on a never-ending emotional roller coaster, with highs that are just as dangerous as the lows. These disorders, among others, can greatly affect daily life. They can make it hard to work, to maintain relationships, and to enjoy activities that were once loved. They can be debilitating, and yet they are more common than most people think. It's important to remember that these are not character flaws or signs of weakness. They are legitimate medical conditions, just like diabetes or heart disease, and they deserve the same empathy, understanding, and medical attention. So you might be wondering, why are we talking about this? It's because understanding these disorders is crucial for both those who suffer from them and for those who want to support them. Knowledge is the first step towards empathy, and empathy is the first step towards a supportive, understanding society. Understanding these disorders is crucial for both those who suffer from them and those who want to support them. Recognizing the signs of mental health issues can be the first step towards seeking help. It's essential to remember that these signs can manifest differently in everyone, and they can change over time. However, there are some common symptoms that can indicate a person may be struggling with their mental health. One of these signs is a change in mood or behavior. This could include feeling persistently sad, anxious, or having sudden bursts of anger. You might also notice a general feeling of discontent or a loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyable. Physical changes can also signal mental health issues. This might look like changes in appetite, leading to significant weight loss or gain. Sleep disturbances, such as insomnia or excessive sleeping, can also be a telltale sign. In addition to this, you might experience unexplained aches and pains or a decrease in energy levels. Mental health issues can also affect a person's thinking. This could involve difficulty concentrating or making decisions. Some people might experience feelings of worthlessness or guilt, and in severe cases, recurrent thoughts of death or suicide. Behavioral changes are another important indicator to watch for. This could be seen as withdrawing from friends and family, neglecting responsibilities, or engaging in risky behaviors. There may also be an increased use of substances such as alcohol or drugs. Finally, remember that everyone experiences stress and emotional ups and downs. It's when these feelings become overwhelming, last for long periods, and start to interfere with your daily life that they may be signs of a mental health issue. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these signs, it's crucial to reach out to a mental health professional. They can provide a diagnosis and guide you towards the appropriate resources and treatments. Remember, recognizing the signs is the first step to seeking help. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Nobody has to face these challenges alone. After all, our mental well-being is a vital part of our overall health, and it deserves to be taken care of. Help is available, and reaching out can be a game changer. When it comes to mental health, it's crucial to know that you don't have to navigate it alone. There are professionals trained to walk with you on this journey, providing you with the tools and support you need. Therapists, psychiatrists, and counselors can offer invaluable assistance. And remember, seeking help isn't a sign of weakness. Instead, it's a sign of courage, a testament to your strength and commitment to your well-being. When considering therapy, you might wonder where to start. Well, there are multiple avenues you can explore. You could consult with your primary care physician who can provide referrals. You could also reach out to your insurance provider for a list of in-network mental health professionals. And of course, there's the internet, a vast reservoir of resources at your fingertips. Speaking of resources, let's delve into some that you might find beneficial. First up, we have the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, now known as the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. This lifeline is a national network of local crisis centers that provide free and confidential emotional support to people in suicidal crisis or emotional distress 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Next, we have Mental Health America, also known as MHA. This community-based nonprofit is dedicated to addressing the needs of people living with mental illness and promoting overall mental health. MHA provides an array of services from policy advocacy and public education to support groups and mental health screenings. Then there's the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI. NAMI is the nation's largest grassroots mental health organization and offers a wealth of resources from education programs to advocacy efforts. Their website also features a Find Support section, making it easier for you to connect with local NAMI organizations and other mental health services in your community. In today's digital age, help is literally at your fingertips. There are numerous apps and online platforms designed to offer mental health support. For instance, BetterHelp and Talkspace connect you with licensed therapists via messaging, phone calls, or video sessions, giving you access to therapy from the comfort of your own space. Remember, these resources are not exhaustive. There are countless organizations, hotlines, and online platforms out there, each with their own unique approach to supporting mental health. It's about finding what resonates with you, what makes you feel heard, understood, and most importantly, not alone. So whether you're dealing with a mental health issue or know someone who is, don't hesitate to seek help. Reach out, ask for support. It's okay to lean on others when your strength wavers. It's okay to admit you're not okay. You're not alone in this journey. Reach out, seek help, and remember, it's okay to ask for support. Hearing others' experiences can provide hope and encouragement. Let's delve into some real anonymous stories. First, we have Jane, who battled severe anxiety. For years, she felt like a prisoner in her own mind. But with therapy and support, she learned to manage her anxiety and reclaim her life. Then there's John, who struggled with depression. He felt isolated, like he was in a constant state of darkness. But through medication and counseling, he found his way back to the light. Each of these individuals felt lost at some point, but they found their path to recovery. Their journeys are testaments to the resilience of the human spirit and the power of seeking help. We're all in this together, and it's okay to reach out, to share your struggles, and to lean on each other. Everyone's journey is unique, but remember, there is always hope and help available. In conclusion, mental health matters. It's a vital aspect of our overall well-being that too often gets overlooked or misunderstood. Today, we've shed some light on this important topic, from understanding what mental health is, recognizing signs of struggle, to exploring resources for help. Remember, we're all in this together. Thank you for joining us on this important journey through mental health awareness. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Health Hack 101 for more insightful health content. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Sharing this video could make a significant difference in someone's life, helping them to find the resources and support they need. Together, let's continue to break the stigma and promote mental wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.